Hi, my name is Kevin Wolpert. I'm an assistant principal at Saratoga Springs High School in New York, and I'm in charge of all purchasing and budget in the high school. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about ThinkBoard and particularly what we did in this classroom. We have smart boards in every classroom, and we're really happy with the customization that ThinkBoard does for us. We had some unused chalkboard space on both sides. This was done 2 years ago, so you can see how well the product is held up. It really brightens up this classroom, and it allows for small space to be used for productive space. And also we did another larger board on the side this year, and you can see that is a chalkboard that is now a whiteboard, which again, our students are more inclined to go up to the board and use it when it's a whiteboard. We're hoping that next year we will do some of our older chalkboards, which you'll see in the back. We have an old graph grid that's beat up pretty good, and just a normal chalkboard slider. You'll see that when those get brightened up, it really makes a huge difference. And we're really happy with the ThinkBoard product, and we can't say enough about how cost effective it is. I'm standing in front of a 12-foot, well, it used to be a 12-foot chalkboard. Here at Saratoga, like most schools, we really want to make every dollar count. I'm really happy with ThinkBoard because primarily for the bang for the buck. I mean, ThinkBoard came in and the materials here cost $400 for this board. We looked up to replace this 12-foot board was going to cost us almost $1,200 just in materials. So it's about a third savings, and we found that this film holds up just as well as any board we can buy. And the great part about this is that we retrofitted these chalkboards that have stood the test of time. These chalkboards are really heavy, they're very durable, and when we put the ThinkBoard product on this film, it makes it into about as good of a whiteboard as you can get. We're super happy with the efficiency, the service, and primarily how far our dollar goes.